Understanding herpes, a common viral infection. Herpes is incredibly common. In fact, millions of people around the world are affected by it, making it one of the most widespread viral infections globally. It's caused by a virus, specifically the herpes simplex virus, or HSV. This virus is highly contagious and can be transmitted through direct contact with an infected person. This virus has two main types, HSV-1 and HSV-2. HSV-1 typically causes oral herpes, leading to cold sores around the mouth, while HSV-2 is usually responsible for genital herpes. Both types can cause lifelong infections. Once the virus enters the body, it remains dormant in the nerve cells and can reactivate at any time, leading to recurrent outbreaks. While there is no cure for herpes, it's manageable with medication and lifestyle adjustments. Antiviral medications can help reduce the severity and frequency of outbreaks, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle can also play a significant role in managing the condition. Many people with herpes don't have symptoms. They may carry the virus without ever experiencing an outbreak, which makes it even more challenging to control its spread. They may not even know they're infected. This asymptomatic nature of the virus means that people can unknowingly transmit it to others. This makes it crucial to understand how herpes spreads, even without visible signs. Education and awareness are key in preventing the transmission of the virus. Knowing the facts helps us protect ourselves and others. By staying informed and taking preventive measures, we can reduce the risk of spreading herpes and support those who are living with the infection. Herpes simplex virus, two sides of the same coin. This virus is a master of disguise, presenting itself in two primary forms that affect different parts of the body. HSV-1 is usually associated with oral herpes, commonly known as cold sores or fever blisters. These are not just minor irritations, they can be quite painful and often cause significant discomfort. These small, painful blisters appear around the mouth, often triggered by stress, illness, or even sun exposure. They can make eating, drinking, and even talking a challenge. They can also develop inside the mouth, on the gums, or on the roof of the mouth. This can lead to difficulties in maintaining oral hygiene and can be particularly distressing for those affected. On the other hand, HSV-2 typically causes genital herpes. This form of the virus is often surrounded by stigma and misunderstanding, but it's important to approach it with empathy and knowledge. This type manifests as sores around the genitals or rectum. These sores can be extremely painful, causing significant physical and emotional distress. These sores can be painful and itchy, often leading to a cycle of discomfort and irritation. Treatment can help manage symptoms, but the virus remains in the body. While both types are typically associated with specific areas, it's possible for HSV-1 to cause genital herpes and HSV-2 to cause oral herpes, though less common. This crossover can occur through oral genital contact, highlighting the importance of understanding and preventing transmission. Preventive measures, such as using protection during sexual activity and avoiding contact with sores, are crucial in managing the spread of herpes. Education and awareness can empower individuals to take control of their health. It's essential to approach herpes with a compassionate and informed perspective. By understanding the virus and its implications, we can reduce stigma and support those affected in leading healthy, fulfilling lives. The telltale signs. Recognizing herpes outbreaks. Herpes is a common viral infection that manifests in various ways, making it crucial to understand its symptoms for timely management. Herpes outbreaks are characterized by the appearance of blisters. These blisters can appear on different parts of the body, including the mouth, genitals, and other areas of the skin. These blisters are often preceded by a tingling, itching, or burning sensation in the affected area. This initial discomfort is a key indicator that an outbreak may be imminent. This prodrome phase serves as an early warning sign. Recognizing this phase can help individuals take preventive measures to manage the outbreak more effectively. During an outbreak, the blisters rupture, ooze, and eventually crust over. This process is not only uncomfortable but can also be painful and distressing for those affected. This process can take several days to a few weeks. The healing time varies depending on the individual's immune system and the severity of the outbreak. The frequency and severity of outbreaks vary greatly from person to person. Factors such as stress, illness, and lifestyle can influence how often outbreaks occur. Some individuals experience frequent outbreaks, while others have only a few throughout their lifetime. Support groups and medical advice can provide valuable insights and coping strategies for managing this condition. Transmission of herpes. How it spreads. Herpes spreads through direct contact with an infected person. This contact can be skin to skin, like kissing or sexual contact. The virus can also spread through contact with infected saliva or genital fluids. Importantly, herpes can be transmitted even when there are no visible sores or symptoms. This is why understanding asymptomatic shedding is crucial. Asymptomatic shedding refers to the virus being present and transmissible even when no symptoms are present. A life with herpes can be emotionally challenging. It's normal to experience feelings of fear, shame, or anxiety. However, it's essential to remember that herpes is incredibly common and manageable. Open communication with partners is crucial. Discussing your status honestly and openly helps foster trust and understanding. While herpes can be transmitted even with precautions, using condoms and avoiding sexual contact during outbreaks can significantly reduce the risk of transmission. Antiviral therapy is key to keeping herpes at bay. While there's no cure for herpes, antiviral medications effectively manage the virus and reduce outbreaks. Antivirals work by suppressing the replication of the herpes virus, preventing it from multiplying in the body. These medications are available in oral and topical forms. They can be taken daily as suppressive therapy to reduce the frequency and severity of outbreaks. They can also be taken episodically at the first sign of an outbreak to shorten its duration. Beyond antivirals, the quest for a herpes cure is a vibrant area of research. Scientists are exploring various approaches to target the virus and eliminate it from the body completely. These approaches include gene editing, therapeutic vaccines, and immunotherapy. Gene editing techniques like CRISPR-Cas9 hold immense promise. These tools allow scientists to precisely target and modify the herpes virus DNA, potentially disabling its ability to replicate. Section 8. Gene editing and immunotherapy, promising avenues. Immunotherapy is another promising area of research. This approach aims to boost the body's natural immune response to fight the herpes virus. Therapeutic vaccines, for instance, are being developed to train the immune system to recognize and eliminate herpes-infected cells. Researchers are also investigating ways to enhance the body's natural killer cells, which play a crucial role in fighting viral infections. Section 9. Clinical trials and research breakthroughs. Clinical trials are underway to evaluate the safety and efficacy of these novel therapies. While research is ongoing, early results from some trials have shown promising outcomes. Some studies have demonstrated the potential of gene editing to suppress herpes virus replication in animal models. These advancements in research offer hope for a future where herpes can be cured or permanently controlled. Section 10. Living with hope, a future free from herpes. While the journey to a cure continues, it's essential to approach herpes with a positive and proactive mindset. Knowing the facts, managing outbreaks effectively, and practicing safe sex can significantly reduce the impact of herpes on our lives. The ongoing research and promising breakthroughs offer hope for a future where herpes is no longer a lifelong concern. Section 11. Conclusion. Empowering ourselves with knowledge. Herpes is a common viral infection that affects millions worldwide. While it presents challenges, it's manageable with medication, lifestyle adjustments, and open communication. Understanding the virus, its transmission, and the available treatment options empowers us to take control of our health and make informed decisions. As research progresses, we move closer to a future where herpes is no longer a lifelong concern.